So how I got my vehicle set up, and this is over months of trying to figure things out. So how I got my vehicle set up, and this is over months of trying to figure things out and make it comfortable as well as efficient. So I have my one phone here, which I can record the road as I live stream, as well as I can see what I need to see on my phone. But because I have to use my hand and it has to be in the air, as you guys can see, not easy to control. So that's why I don't use this phone a lot, and it's not designed to be used a lot. Wiring, as I ran, fairly easy. You pull this off and you kind of run it underneath and then put it back up. As you guys can see, this wire that's going to my power supply right there. I also have this tire gauge. Let's see if you guys can see it. There it is. It gives me pressure in all tires, so sometimes if I hear something weird, might sometimes be a bad road or something, I always immediately kind of check how is my tires doing, that it's not a flat. Also, I have a webcam, which is dash cam, sorry, not webcam. Why? There it is, finally zoomed in. And 2 Pro, it records the road, as well as, it's getting loose, as well as records what's in the vehicle. So sometime when I give you turn on some recordings of the road, that's where it would be coming from. I also replaced this with I believe out of a Chevy, with the wiring, so I can open up a garage door. That's in my previous home. In this home I do not have that option anymore, but then I have the second phone holder. I'll put my phone so you guys can see. Very convenient. If you guys look at my hand, as my hand is sitting on the rest, I can easily work it as I need to on my phone. So that is my option. I had one more on this side. That's the one that's right here. It used to be on this side, but after a while it didn't want to hold on to this circular area, so I had to put it up on the window or windshield. So I do have these also magnet connect cables, so I don't damage my ports, as I'm constantly just rip my phone away. It goes away, it stays behind, and then if I have to do, all I have to do is just connect. I also have it the cable connected like that to my panel, so it's always available and nearby to be hooked up as I need it, and if I don't, disconnect. So in that one, and that holder is mounted like that. I do have various different stuff here, cup holder, more stuff in here, but that's personal stuff. This seat, I always try to, if I have to, I can quickly clear it and put whatever I need, even sit somebody if I need to in this seat. And so let me work my way around and show you guys the rest of it. So on the floor I have water, distilled water for myself, because I do drink distilled water. I also have cup holders just in case I need one to drop off and I don't have one. This towel where I used when it rained, but then I had where the drink kind of churned sideways, and as the drink churned sideways, it started spilled out. So right now it's kind of, in case it repeats itself. I do have this cup holder from Doordash website. Fits perfectly inside Doordash. Here it is. I'll show it to you guys. So it fits perfectly into the Doordash hot bag, and you can fill it with drinks, ice cream, shakes, and etc. This is my catering bag. Has 5 cup holders, as you guys can see. Works nicely. You know, a few straws, bags if I needed, and I can fit 2 of these hot bags inside of here. I outlined it with cardboard. It helps it to stay up and easier to drop these and other food without having to have extra hands, when sometimes it's hard to have extra hands. So let me go in the trunk. In the trunk, ice scraper, which now we don't need it. I have a Doordash bag, a catering bag here with more hot bags if I need it. Another cup holder there, oil, a few other personal stuff there. Stapler, space blanket, and underneath here, let me unlock it. I have more blankets and other stuff, just in case I get a catering order and cannot fit in these bags and I need to cover it, so I can nicely cover it. So that is my. Now here I have the dolly, so for climbing stairs, if for spark, it's kind of, you know, this tire goes on. It's mounted here. That's the bag that goes on it, and I'll show you guys the picture from Amazon how it looks. Also, all my pizza bags. So my Amazon pizza bag, Doordash pizza bag, which lately I've been using, that's the same one that Pedro Doordash Santiago trying to buy. I'm not sure if he bought or not, but he's been given away. This is Doordash bag from their website that I purchased. Regular bag that I bought at Walmart because one day I forgot my bags, and also a Grubhub bag. So they're kind of nicely stored here. And you know, I have a spare jacket. This is the vest, scarf if I needed. So all of that stuff is in my car, kind of set up like that. And like I said, this front seat, I can sit somebody if I need to. This is a box from the motion tire pressure monitoring system. So as you guys can see in the picture. So that's about it. Umbrella there. So yeah, that's about all of my setup. As you guys can see, nothing too fancy, but at the same time it does the job, and that's the beauty part about it. I like it that I can get my job done easily, quickly, comfortably. The only downside is if I go through a drive-through, then I have to pull forward, get out and put the stuff in a catering bag, because I don't like holding anything in the front seat unless I have no other choice. In that case, then, you know, I'll grab one of the from my trunk, one of the hot bags, and proceed with it. So that's about it about my setup. If you guys have any questions, definitely let me know, and we're going from there. Be blessed.